Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. And today I wanted to show you guys how I achieved these spring-like curls. The weather's been really lovely here in London and I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. And I'll be using this full lace wig by HerGivenHair. This is the Kinky blowout, and this is the second Kinky blowout unit that I actually have from them. The first one is an L part, and I'll be sure to link that video as well so you guys can see it.
Do the things where you know go fit or fine, and you know go fit or fine.
So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. I wanted to show you guys how I usually have my hair, how I put my wig grip on, how I put my wig cap on, because I usually miss out these steps and people tend to ask me questions. And just to kind of answer a question that I get a lot, the reason why I put my wig grip underneath the actual wig cap is because it just looks really bright. If I don't do that, the part looks really bright in comparison to my skin tone.
I just wanna play songs on my phone, say let me be, let me be. Never thought I'd be on the news like this. Never thought I'd shine my 30s. So if you don't love me, rest in peace. Can I dish your love where they make me the crazy? So and I no go mind if you come to my place. So doing the things where you know say I hate to. Buckle up chest, so no time to waste. Oh, cause I fit to buy for you one day, and I fit to life for you one day, and I fit to die for you one day. So baby girl, no use me they play. Say I. If I did double my hustle, no mean say I go die. If I did damn fresh, no mean say I did lie. Cause I did try do the things where you know go fit or fine, and you know go fit or fine. Cause I don't wanna be with you, having fun time with these girls, but I just wanna be with you, doing everything for the gang, but I just wanna fight for you. I'm riding in my new escape, say baby let me die for you, my baby let me ride for you. Whoa, 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 I'll die for you, I'll ride for you.
So I'm sure if you guys have been on the channel before, then you do recall that I am no lace front wig slayer or anything like that. I'm just a simple girl with some very minimal wig skills. But what I do like about the Kinky blowout and the lace on this wig is that it actually tends to kind of blend with my skin and my hairline quite easily. But I do like to use a little bit of mousse, and that's the only thing I put on there. It's just mousse. It just helps it to sit flat, and it just helps the hair to kind of sit a bit flush to my skin. And I'm just going ahead and using a little bit of heat protectant with the wand curler. I've never actually ever used a wand curler in my natural hair before, but I've always loved the look of it, so I really wanted to try it out. I've owned this one for about 5 years without actually ever using it, and the smoke that you're seeing is just the heat protectant burning off, I'm assuming, and not the actual hair.
Baby, no make me go oh la la la. Press on your buttons, oh na 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 na. Won't pressure feelings, I won't cross the lines, yeah. I know so many will tell you lies. Lie on my past so that we can divide. There's no life for you, I go oh la la la. For you anything, I go oh la la la, yeah. And I don't wanna waste your time, touching my heart with your vibe. Giving me the signs, you're looking in your eyes. I love it when you smile, when you're giving me the wine. Yeah, 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 don't lie. So
this is what it looked like. Looking back, what I actually would have done or should have done is just to go back over that hairline with a little bit of my foundation, but I wasn't wearing any makeup that day, and I think because I wasn't wearing any makeup, it never crossed my mind. But even without it, I really liked the way that it looked. A lot of people complimented me, a lot of people told me that it looked very realistic. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Your touch is spiritual, human divine. Where you they make me go oh la la la. Chop on my money, go la la la, yeah. I need you every day by my side. If you trust me with your heart, I won't let you cry. If you trust me with your body, won't let you drown. For you, anything I go la la la, yeah. And I don't wanna waste your time, touching my heart with your vibe. Giving me the signs and looking in your eyes. I love it when you smile, when you're giving me the wine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't lie, wasting my time, pushing on the wrong track. Many evil things where my eyes don't see. Only thing I need.